Hi, this is Rob McCarthy. I'm with SkipperBud's at McRae Harbor and Belmare Harbor on beautiful Lake St. Clair. Today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 350 Express cruiser from Cruisers Yachts. It's a 2021 with extremely low hours, making this a great opportunity. Okay, now we're sitting here at the helm. It does have digital throttle and shift. Of course, the joystick. Raymarine chart plotter. Over here to the port is the vessel view, and if you look very closely, there are less than 14 hours on the boat. The boat was bought new by a busy executive that just didn't get a chance to use the boat in the 2 years he's owned it. Here's a view of the engine compartment on this 2021 Cruisers 350 Express. It's powered by 8.2 mag C-Core 380 horsepower engines, and there is a Westerbeek generator. All right, before we're done today, here's an overview. Here you see we've got the rear seat folded down in a chaise lounge position. I've got the cushion out, providing you a step up to the starboard side. As we talked about, very nice helm. Seating over here to the port side with the wet bar. Nice cabin layout, excellent lighting. There are hull side windows, 3 hatches providing plenty of light, storage to the port and starboard of the forward berth, TV and microwave over the galley, nice size mid cabin where you can have a table, and of course that fills in to become a berth. In terms of the boat's specifications, the boat has a length overall of 35 foot 6 inches, beam of 11 foot 8 inches, draft with the engines down is 44 inches. This is as close to a new boat as you'll find. Call Rob McCarthy at SkipperBud's at 248-881-7124.